Wix Menu Fields and Links tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a folder within your menu navigation and also links in Wix website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what I am going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the website and select and edit it. Of course, we're going to find this admin dashboard of it. Now, what can we do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the home or the setup page and click on edit site. So once we have clicked on that, we're going to be on the website as you can see. Now what I am going to do is to focus on one place, as you can see, which is going to be the horizontal menu here. So this is our horizontal menu. I'm going to try and place it to the middle. Boom. Now you can go ahead also and have horizontal menus like these. That is going to be nearly the same, but I'm going to focus on this one only. Here I'm not going to focus on it. Now we're going to click on navigate, or instead of navigate, click on manage menu. Now you can see that we have this menu. We have the arrangement or the specific let's say management of it. We can go ahead and add a menu item by clicking on the menu item here, and we're going to find from these drop down anchors, section, links, dynamic pages, blog pages, store pages, dynamic pages, and new pages. Now how is a folder is going to be created? It is going to be very simple. The folder is going to connect all the menu pages into one page. That means that we're going to create sub pages. As you can see, the home page is going to be a folder for the landing page and also the contact page. That means that when you have the home page set up, or you're going to hover on the home page, you're going to find multiple menus. So like this, I hover in here, I have two options. These are going to be the pages or the links within this place. I'm going to be back to the editor, and normally we're going to find the specific homepage, or not the homepage, but basically the horizontal menu set up like that. I'm going to head over the menu again, and you can see that it is going to be something like that. Now, for instance, we have this maintenance page that we want to create it as a folder for other pages. We can go ahead and have a page placed here. So we're going to have this page clicked and put under the maintenance menu, and it is going to be a sub page. As you can see, this is the drawn line for it, the drawn line for the maintenance page. Now we have created a folder called maintenance page, and the first element for it, which is going to be a page, that is going to be the online store. We can go ahead and do that for a lot of menu items. For example, this is the shop that I want to take from here to enter the maintenance page. So I have here two elements under the folder of maintenance page. Now, how to add links? You can go ahead and add over add menu items, click on links, and we're going to be adding the link. For example, we can go ahead and have www.canva.com. we're going to have it as a page here. I'm going to call it Canva. So now this is going to be the icon of the page. We're going to take it here. Another thing that I want to mention, the folders within our Wix website could be called also a drop-down, since we have the same strategy here. If you want to have only a drop-down, not a page have been selected here, that means that the drop-down is going to have a name and not be clickable. Only we can hover it, for example, folder 1. You're going to make it like that. It is going to be concise for only drop-downs. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.